Welcome to Arlington, Texas, where fun awaits the whole family. In this video, we'll explore the exciting activities and attractions that make Arlington a perfect destination for a family vacation or a day out. Get ready for a memorable experience filled with adventure, entertainment, and lots of laughter. Our first stop is Six Flags Over Texas, the ultimate theme park for thrill seekers. Embark on exhilarating roller coasters, enjoy live shows, and make a splash at the water park. With plenty of rides and attractions for all ages, Six Flags Over Texas guarantees a day full of adrenaline and excitement. Next, let's visit the Fort Worth Zoo, a must-see for animal lovers. Explore the diverse habitats and get up close with fascinating creatures from around the world. From playful primates to majestic big cats, the Fort Worth Zoo offers an unforgettable educational experience for the whole family. For a journey into the world of science, head to the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. With interactive exhibits and hands-on activities, the museum inspires curiosity and discovery in visitors of all ages. Marvel at the wonders of natural history, delve into space exploration, and engage in immersive learning experiences. If art is your passion, the Arlington Museum of Art is a must-visit destination. Explore the galleries showcasing a variety of contemporary and traditional artworks. Attend workshops and events to unleash your creativity, or simply appreciate the beauty of different art forms. Sports fans, get ready for an unforgettable experience at AT&T Stadium, home to the Dallas Cowboys. Catch an exciting football game or take a guided tour of the state-of-the-art stadium. Feel the electrifying atmosphere and immerse yourself in the love for the game. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in nature at River Legacy Park. Take a leisurely stroll along the trails, rent a kayak or paddleboard, or have a picnic by the river. This expansive park offers serenity and endless opportunities for outdoor fun. For some retail therapy and delicious food, head to the park's mall at Arlington. Explore a wide range of shops, from popular brands to specialty stores, and enjoy a meal at one of the many dining options. Whether you're looking for fashion, electronics, or unique gifts, the park's mall has it all. Bowling enthusiasts and history buffs will love the International Bowling Museum and Hall of Fame. Dive into the rich history of bowling, learn about its evolution, and admire memorabilia from legendary bowlers. Play a game or two and enjoy the combination of entertainment and education.